Okay, so this is my 2005 E500 wagon, and I'm hearing a whirring sound coming from the front of the car. I'm not sure if it's tires, bearings, differentials, or what. You can hear the V8 when we start, but then you'll hear the whirring start at about 30 miles an hour and takes over, and it sounds like it's a V6. There is no clunking when I turn left or right, and there's no low speed grinding at low speed turning, like in an extreme turning, like in a parking lot or something like that. And it doesn't seem to be power steering related, but you can probably hear it there. It's completely speed related, and I'll kick it into neutral right now and you'll hear that it continues. Oh wait, let me shut off the wipers. Okay, I'm putting it into neutral now. And you can see it's not engine speed related.